Namaste and gratitude for another beautiful day in our lives. What is the water we should be drinking at this time? The two important things you need to supplement. If you live in India, you can get a copper jug or a copper glass or a vessel like this. Make sure you clean the copper jug every day. That's very important when you use a copper vessel, because for the coronavirus, supplementation of copper is very important for your immunity. So make sure you either supplement it as a mineral or you can use the copper jug. So what do we do? Inside the copper jug, we use a leaf of a bale. This is the bale tree, which is amazing for both constipation and diarrhea, and full of antioxidants. It's antiviral and even for cancer. So anyone even who's on chemotherapy, this is fantastic. If you have anything going on in your gut, if you have ulcers, any kind of acidity, all that comes down with the bale. So make sure that you put a bay leaf into the jug, and you can use a silver coin and a gold coin if you have. Otherwise, at least a plain copper jug or supplementing copper is really important at this time. And the other thing, we have a saint called Saint Agastya, a rishi who wrote this book called the Agatyam. In that, one of the main things which is antiviral is actually the leaf of the neem tree. So make sure if you have fresh neem, you can grind it, make little balls, put it in the fridge, have one every day or take it as a capsule. And the other thing is the papaya leaf. It's the greatest for detoxing your liver, the kidney, and again, fantastic for antiviral action. It improves the platelet count. So make sure that you have a little bit, maybe even a half a teaspoon of papaya juice, at least for a week. And then what is the statement, what we are going to take for today is, I am safe and I am able to meet challenges. So you can do this, like I said, you cross your hands and feet and then keep repeating it for 5 minutes with your eyes closed just before you go to bed. And then 10 seconds eyes open and 10 seconds eyes closed. This will really change any kind of fear or whatever you have. And don't forget the power of the mantra. The mantra is a seed or a bija, as we call. So from the seed, inside a seed lies the entire tree and a forest. So make sure that you chant whatever mantra is suitable for you. You can, if you're Christian, the Gregorian chants, or you can, now Ramzan is going on, you can have your, Maha Mantra, whatever appeals to you from any religion, but that particular chant has the ability to transcend everything and connect you to another place. Even the Samveda has been proven. When we listen to it on functional MRIs, you can see complete calming of the brain, where you're not even chanting, but just hearing the sacred sounds can change a lot in your life. So stay home, be safe, and I'm sure you're at your healthiest best. Thank you so much.